If car carpets, seat rails, and trunk corners are constantly eating your time, the right shop vac turns good enough detailing into that crisp, sand-free, factory-clean finish. In this video, you're getting 7 real-world picks ranked from 7 to 1, what felt great in hand, what actually pulled grit out of carpet, and which ones are worth your money, plus a couple that look better on paper than they perform. 7. VEVOR Wet and Dry Vacuum 4-gallon. The first time I grabbed the VEVOR 4-gallon, the appeal was obvious. Compact size, wet-dry capability, and it claims a 5 peak HP motor with 65 CFM airflow, so it sounds like it should punch above its weight. For basic car detailing, it's immediately usable right out of the box because it comes with a 1¼ hose, extension wands, and a 2-in-1 Cleva-style nozzle that helps you get into console gaps and around seat mounts without fighting the tool. Where it did well for me was quick cleanups, crumbs in the footwell, loose dust on mats, and that fine sandy grit that sits on top of carpet. It also has a blower function, which is handy when you're trying to blast debris out of tight seams before vacuuming, or when you want to clear dust from a work area fast. But here's the honest part. During longer detailing sessions, the budget feel starts showing up in little ways. The hose diameter and included tools are fine for light-duty work, but when you're trying to deep pull packed pet hair or heavy sand that's been ground into carpet, it doesn't feel as effortless as the higher-ranked options. Noise matters when you're detailing for more than 10 minutes, and VEVOR lists up to 77 dB, so it can be a bit much in a closed garage. It's not a deal-breaker, but it's the kind of thing that makes you shut it off more often between steps, which slows down your workflow. Overall, I'd call it a decent starter shop vac if you want wet-dry capability and portability, but it's the pick here that feels the most good for the price, rather than great, period. 6. Cleva Armorall VO40SA 0901. This Armorall unit is a 4-gallon stainless steel wet-dry vac, and the stainless tank is honestly nice because it feels tougher than basic plastic and wipes clean easily after messy jobs. It's also designed to be compact and portable, with caster wheels and a top handle, which makes it easy to roll around the car instead of constantly picking it up. In actual detailing, what I liked is that it comes with a big accessory set. Vacmaster describes it as equipped with 10 accessories, and that matters because car interiors are all about having the right tip for the right corner. This is also a convertible blower, and that's useful when you're trying to push debris out from under seats or out of vent areas before you vacuum it up. The spec that stood out is 135 air watts, which is a legit metric and not just marketing peak HP. On dry messes like dirt and crumbs, it felt quick and confident, especially for the size. Now the downside, being compact can backfire when you're doing a full interior reset. A 4-gallon tank is fine, but if you're vacuuming heavily soiled mats or you're using it for wet pickup, you can end up emptying more often than you want, and that interrupts momentum during a detail. Also, while the stainless tank feels premium, the overall car vac kit vibe can sometimes feel a little busy, lots of pieces, and if you're not disciplined about storage, you'll spend time hunting attachments instead of cleaning. Still, if someone wants a compact wet-dry vac with a nice accessory bundle and a durable tank, it's a solid option, just not the smoothest experience compared to what's higher on this list. 5. Vacmaster VDK611PF 0201. When I moved to the Vacmaster, the first thing I noticed was the detailer-friendly feature, a self-cleaning filter system controlled by a filter cleaning button. That's important because car detailing creates fine dust, and fine dust is exactly what makes filters clog and suction drop right when you're trying to finish strong. Spec-wise, you're looking at a 6-gallon capacity and 4.5 peak HP plus a 7-foot hose. That capacity jump sounds small, but in real use, it means fewer dump trips and more uninterrupted vacuum time, especially if you're working on multiple cars or doing a full SUV. In tight interiors, the hose length and maneuverability felt balanced, big enough to have presence, small enough to reposition around a car without feeling like you're wrestling a construction tool. It's also rated at 72 dB in the manual listing, and while any shop vac is loud, this one didn't feel as harsh as some budget units when used in a closed space. What made it feel professional is that the filter cleaning system helps maintain airflow. When suction dips, you can refresh it instead of stopping to pull the filter and bang it out. That keeps your pace steady, especially when you're bouncing between carpet, mats, and crevices where dust loads up fast. If there's a watch out, it's that this is a more feature-forward unit, so you'll get the best results if you actually use the filter system correctly and keep the right filters for wet versus dry. But once dialed in, it's a noticeable step up for detailing consistency. 4. CRAFTSMAN CMX EVBE17040. For mobile-style detailing, the CRAFTSMAN hits a sweet spot. 4 gallons so it stays portable, but it still claims 5.0 peak HP, which gives it the attitude of a bigger machine. The 7-foot locking hose is a bigger deal than it sounds, because hoses pulling loose mid-detail is one of those small annoyances that adds up fast. One thing I appreciated is the accessory set includes car-focused tools like a car nozzle and dusting brush, so you can go from carpet extraction to dash and trim work without feeling like you're using the wrong attachment. It also has built-in accessory storage, which makes it easier to keep your workflow clean and not scatter tools around the garage or driveway. Moving it around the vehicle felt easy because the manual lists large rear wheels and 360-degree swivel front casters. That's exactly what you want when you're vacuuming around door sills, hopping from driver footwell to back seat, and constantly changing angles. For actual suction feel, it handled common detailing messes confidently. Grit in carpet, crumbs wedged near seat brackets, and the fine dust that sits in trunk carpeting. The 1/7/8" hose diameter also felt like a nice middle ground. More airflow than skinny hoses, but not too bulky for tight interior work. If you want a shop vac that's simple, portable, and ready for cars without overthinking it, this CRAFTSMAN is a strong mid-pack pick. It's the kind of vac that makes you want to vacuum more often because setup and movement are easy. 3. Vacmaster VFB511H0201 Beast Series. This is where the list starts feeling serious. The Vacmaster Beast Series is a 5-gallon wet-dry vac with 5.5 peak HP, and it's rated with up to 82 inches of water lift, so it's built for pulling debris out of carpet instead of just skimming the surface. In car detailing, that matters most on carpeted footwells and trunk liners where sand and pet hair get punched down deep. The reach is another reason it ranked high for me. The specs list a 7-foot hose and a 25-foot cord, which makes it easier to work around a vehicle without constantly moving the plug. That move less, clean more factor is real when you're circling a car over and over. Noise is listed around 72 dB, and while it's still a shop vac, it didn't feel brutally loud for the suction you're getting. That helps when you're doing a long interior and you don't want fatigue from constant noise. What stood out during use was how confidently it pulled grit from carpet lines and edge channels, especially those tight zones along center consoles where debris collects. It also supports wet pickup with the right filter setup, so it's more than just a dry detailing tool. This is the first one on the list that felt like it could handle detailer abuse and still feel composed. If someone wants a real shop vac that still fits the car detailing lifestyle, this is a strong pick. 2. Shark VS101. The Shark VS101 is different from the classic shop vac style, and that's why it's interesting for detailing. It's built around convenience, fast access, and quick cleanup rather than the big drum and hose experience. For car detailing, that can be a win when you're doing frequent maintenance cleans, quick client touch-ups, or you just hate dragging a big shop vac out every time. What I liked most is how quickly it gets you into action. Grab it, hit the problem areas, and you're not spending time assembling hoses and extensions. For seats, door pockets, and small spills, that no-excuses usability can make your car stay cleaner long-term. That said, it's not a traditional wet-dry drum vac with a large tank, so it's not trying to be the same tool as the Vacmaster Beast or the DEWALT. It's more like the daily driver option, quick, practical, and easy to live with for regular interior upkeep. In my use, it shined on the stuff people actually notice: visible crumbs, dust lines near trim, and quick passes over mats before a rideshare shift or a family trip. It's the kind of vacuum that keeps detailing from becoming a once-a-month event. If you already own a heavy shop vac and you want a faster second tool specifically for cars, this is a compelling number 2, especially for speed and convenience. 1. DEWALT StealthSonic DXV05S QT. This is the one that felt like the complete package for car detailing. A 5-gallon wet-dry vac with DEWALT StealthSonic quiet-focused positioning. which is designed to reduce noise while keeping strong suction. In a garage or driveway setting, lower perceived noise makes detailing feel less stressful, and it helps you stay focused through a full interior instead of rushing to be done. The 5-gallon capacity is a great sweet spot, big enough to do full interiors without constant emptying, small enough to stay maneuverable around a car. And because it's wet-dry capable, it's ready for real-life messes, spilled drinks, wet mats, and those moments when you're cleaning after rain. What impressed me most in testing style use was how controlled it felt. Steady suction, consistent pickup, and it didn't feel like it bogged down the moment the filter saw fine dust. That consistency is what separates a vac that's okay for a quick cleanup from one you choose for full detailing sessions. The cleaning radius mentioned in deal listings, over 17 feet, also matters because you can position it and work around the vehicle with fewer interruptions. Less unplugging equals smoother workflow, and smoother workflow equals better results because you're more likely to hit the small areas you normally skip. If the goal is best shop vac for car detailing, this one earned the #1 spot because it balances capacity, wet-dry versatility, and a quieter experience without feeling underpowered. It's the vac that made me want to keep going until every crevice was done, because it didn't fight me at any stage of the process. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.